Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where we are going to be learning how to calculate the highest common factor. Before you start, make sure you've watched this video on prime factorization because it's a very important skill to have when you're learning how to find the highest common factor. I will link this video in the description below in case you haven't watched it. What is the HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor, and this is the biggest number that is a factor of both the numbers that you're trying to find the highest common factor of. You will see it very often with LCM, which is the lowest common multiple, and this is the smallest number that is multiple of both numbers. Don't worry too much about LCM at the moment. I will make a video about it soon, and I'll link that in the comment section when it's up. But just worry about HCF for now because we're going to be learning how to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Question 1. What is the HCF of 16 and 20? So first we can list the factors of 16, which are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are all numbers that go into 16 without leaving any remainder. People always forget that 1 is a factor of every number, so make sure you don't forget. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Again, you can see there's a 1 here. Now we need to find the similarities between the factors. So 1 is a factor of every number, so we'll just ignore that. But 2 is a factor of both of them, and so is 4. Because we are finding the highest common factor, we look at the bigger number, which is 4. So therefore, the highest common factor of 16 and 20 is 4. This is one method you can use to solve the problems. I'll go through method 2 in a minute. Method 2 is better if you're working with bigger numbers, and usually in exams you will get questions with bigger numbers. But in the meantime, you can pause the video here and try out these 8 questions. There's also a challenge with lowest common multiple, but don't worry if you can't do that yet. I'll make a video on it soon. Here are the answers so you can mark your work. Let me know how you did in the comment section below. This is method 2. What is the highest common factor of 16 and 20? This is the same question we did before. I just want to show you that this method works. These methods work for all types of questions, but this one's better for bigger numbers. So first you have to do the prime factorization of 16. You will have learnt this from our prime factorization video. So 16 is the same as 2 to the power of 4. Then you can do 20. 20 is made up of 4 times 5, then 2 times 2. So therefore, prime factorization of 20 is 2 squared times 5. Highest common factor is the what loses method. So you have to look at the two same bases you have. So 2 squared times 2 to the power of 4. And you have to see which one is smaller. So 2 squared is smaller. So you use that in your answer. Then 5 loses against nothing because you have to choose the smaller number. So the highest common factor of 16 and 20 is 4. So here's an example that you can try yourself. Use that method I just showed you, and the numbers here are a bit bigger. So if we do the prime factorization of 72, we get 8 times 9. And then we can simplify this further into 2 to the power of 3 times 3 squared. 112 is made up of 56 times 2, 7 times 8, 4 times 2, 2 times 2. So 112 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 7. If we line this up again, we can see that 2 cubed loses to 2 to the 4, 3 squared loses to 0, and 7 loses to 0. So therefore, the highest common factor of 72 and 112 is 2 cubed, which is 8. Here are a bunch of questions for you to try. You can use either method 1 or method 2, but try use method 2 to get your practice in. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned a lot. The answers for all those questions will be in the comment section below. And make sure you like, share and subscribe with all your friends, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!